This is the strongest camping chair I have ever tested. And I do not say that lightly. This thing claims it can hold 500 pounds. It sets up in literally seconds, and it might just replace every single camping chair I own. So today, I'm putting this Join Nature heavy-duty camping chair to the ultimate test. We're going to find out if it's actually built different, or if it's just another overhyped outdoor product. Let's get into it. The very moment I pulled this chair out of its bag, the first thing I noticed was the sheer weight and the quality of its construction. This is not some flimsy, wobbly chair you'd find at a discount store. This is thick steel, reinforced joints, and heavy-duty 600DE Oxford fabric. It's the kind of material that doesn't make you nervous when you plop down into it after a long hike. And believe me, I sat in it hard, just to see what would happen. This chair is officially rated to support up to 500 pounds, and you can feel that confidence the second you sit down. There are no creaks, no flexing, and absolutely no sketchy noises that make you question your life choices. The steel frame feels completely rock solid, and the wide stance gives it excellent stability, which is crucial when you're on uneven ground at a campsite. If you have ever had a camping chair unexpectedly collapse on you, and I have, you will understand exactly why this level of sturdiness is so important. It's about peace of mind. Now, let's talk about comfort, because all the strength in the world doesn't matter if it feels like you're re-sitting on a park bench for 3 hours. This chair is seriously padded. It has a quilted seat and a high back that actually supports you during those long sits around the campfire. The adjustable armrests are a huge win, allowing you to find that perfect, relaxed position. Plus, you get 2 built-in cup holders, because proper hydration, or let's be honest, coffee, is completely non-negotiable in the great outdoors. There is also a convenient side storage pocket, which is perfect for your phone, some snacks, or your keys. No more digging through your bags every 5 minutes just to find your stuff. What about setup and portability? It's as easy as it gets. Literally seconds. You take it out of the carry bag, unfold the frame, and you are done. There's no complicated assembly or instructions to decipher. When it's time to pack up, it folds down just as quickly and fits nicely into the included carry bag. This makes it incredibly easy to just toss in the trunk for your camping trips, fishing adventures, tailgates, beach days, or even kids' sports events. Now, at 13.5 pounds, it is definitely sturdy. But it's not so heavy that it becomes annoying to carry from the car to your spot. It strikes a really nice balance between robust and manageable. So, when would you actually use this chair? This is the kind of chair you bring when you want real, genuine comfort that lasts. It's for when you don't want to even think about weight limits or worry about durability. This is for when you plan to sit for hours, not just a few minutes. Whether it's for camping, just chilling in the backyard, enjoying an outdoor concert, watching a game from the sidelines, or spending a quiet day fishing by the lake, this chair can handle all of it without breaking a sweat. It's versatile, it's reliable, and it's incredibly comfortable. So, is this chair overkill? Well, maybe for ultralight backpackers who count every single ounce, but for everyone else, if you want maximum comfort, maximum strength, and zero stress when you're trying to relax, this is easily one of the most confidence-inspiring camping chairs I have ever tested. It's a solid investment for anyone who takes their outdoor comfort seriously. Thanks so much for spending part of your day with me. I really hope this video helped you out. If you want to dive deeper into the specs, check out that link below. I've also picked out another video I think you'll love, which you can find right over here in the corner. I love hearing from you guys, so drop a comment and let's chat. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe to join the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.